As the question says, a block weighing 10 Newton travels down a smooth curved track AB joined to a rough horizontal surface. The rough surface has a friction coefficient of 0.2 with the block. If the block starts slipping on the track from a point 1 meter above the horizontal surface, how far will it move on the rough surface? Now what is happening in this question is that we have left this block from point A. It will travel down the B. Now gravitational force will be doing some positive work over this, which will result in the increase of kinetic energy of this block. And if the kinetic energy increases, there will be some velocity of this block when it will reach the point B. Now at this point B, there comes a horizontal rough surface on which it will be having the initial velocity, that V. But now the friction will try to reduce the relative motion and between the surface and the block, and so a negative work done will be done by the friction force to bring this block to rest. And that is what we need to find out, is how much did it cover before coming to rest. Now what approach should we follow to solve this question is that some work will be done, positive work will be done by the gravitational force, which will result in the kinetic energy being increased of this block. Now this kinetic energy will be further reduced by the frictional force. So this positive work, if becomes equal to negative work, then this block will come to 0. That means no change in the kinetic energy. If we employ this, let us suppose to the final point C. Now if this comes to rest over here, that is velocity is 0. Initially it was 0. So the total change in the kinetic energy is 0. Now if the work done between whole of this path becomes 0 on the block, then we can employ the work energy theorem as well. So by work energy theorem, between points A and C, we have the change in the kinetic energy as 0. We have the work done by the gravitational pull as mgh, where h is 1, and the work done by the frictional force as minus mu, normal reaction n, and the distance x. Also we have this as, now we have mg equal to mu nx, and so we are having here as normal reaction being equal to mg. So mg will cancel out from here and this distance will come out to be 1 by mu. They have given us mu as 0.2, so it is 1 over 0.2, giving us x equal to 5 meters.